Hi peeps, Jellybaby here, and today we're doing another Valentine's look, but this time we're going to do more of like an artsy fartsy one, where it's more extreme. So let's go! First I'm taking my MAC Prep and Prime for a face primer. Use all primers for his face, as far as I'm aware. And I'm just going to rub that in with my hands. By the way guys, got an exciting video Thursday. Make sure you subscribe to see that, because it's gonna be fun. Got like an hour's worth of footage. That's always fun. Right, now I got that smoothed in, I'm gonna take my Rainforest of the Sea in porcelain. And I'm just going to take Real Techniques Beauty Blender and buff it in. And I'll take a bit more of that foundation because I feel like I need it. Then I'm going to go in with my Lasting Perfection Collection Concealer, and I'm just going to put that on all my blemishes, under my eyes, nose, and my forehead. Perfect. And blend it in. And then we got all that bounced in. Time for powder, and I'm just using my Stay Matte Remove powder and a Makeup Revolution limited edition powder brush. I'm just gonna dab this in. Now our base is done, I'm gonna move on to contour. I'm just taking the Kat Von D palette, this shade which is Orion. And I'm going to take a angled brush, and I'm just going to put this under my cheekbone. Take the angled brush, and then I'm just going to do the other side. I must say, I'm not the best at contour, so I'm just going to take a powder brush again and just blend it out. If in doubt, blend it out. Now that's somewhat acceptable. I don't know, it's not the best I've ever done. For eyes today, I'm going in with my Fix and Focus eyeshadow primer. Blend it in with my finger. Take this Technique palette, I'm not sure what it's called, I don't think it has a name, no, it doesn't really have a name. This pink here is like a peachy pink. I'm going to run this through my crease. I'm going to run it down the bridge of my nose slightly. I'm then taking this pink, which is slightly darker. I'm then going to take this colour, which is more of a reddy pink, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. And then going to blend that into the crease. It always looks more extreme in the camera. And then going to take this shade, which is the closest to my natural skin colour, and I'm just going to go over the edges, try and blend them into my skin a bit better. It looks really extreme on camera, but honestly in person it does not look that bad. Right, the last thing I'm going to do is take a little tiny bit of that hot pink and just bring it down the inside of my nose. going to take some pink glitter. Kind of wish I had red, but I don't, so pink's going to have to do. I'm going to take a flat brush. I'm going to go back to the pink. I'm going to take a combination of both the peachy pink and the hot pink, and I'm just going to bring this down onto my cheek. And I'm just going to run a tad bit more under my waterline. And we're done with the eyes. Tea break. So I'm going to put white eyeliner in my waterline. Also, if you didn't see my Valentine's look, make sure you check it out. I would say it's more of an everyday look, but it's still not. But I would wear it out, so. And then I'm going to take a black eyeliner. And I'm just going slightly under my eye. I would recommend using a sharp black pencil, but I'm too lazy to sharpen mine. I'm now going to curl my lashes. Maybelline Lash Sensational to give it some length and volume. If you've never tried this mascara, I guarantee it will change your life. My eyelashes are reaching the heavens. Ta-da! Now for the exciting portion of the video. Also, I would also say, if you're going to put false eyelashes on, I would probably put them on now. 5 liquid lipsticks. I've got Lovesick by Kat Von D, Melted Matte, Too Faced. I don't know what shade this is because mine doesn't have a shade name on it for some reason. I don't know if that's a Too Faced thing because I've only got one Too Faced lipstick. Got Red Velvet by Lime Crime, 714 by Jeffree Star, and Peacock by Lime Crime. Oh my god, do some little hearts. Red Velvet first. I'm just going to take the one down, get some lipstick on there and put it on the back of my hand. And then I'm going to take a fine dotting tool. Now we got the heart down. I think I'm going to take Lovesick by Kat Von D. Right, and then I'm going to take that pink and I'm just going to add dots around. The highlight, I'm going to use this silver one, silver lilac, and I'm going to take this little brush and do my nose, brow bone, my inner corner, and my Cupid's bow. And I'm going to take a bigger brush. And last but not least, I'm going to take the same Too Faced liquid purple lipstick. I also decided to cancel out my Cupid's bow, just for a different look. Anyway, that is a finished look. Not too exciting, but I still feel like it's fun. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like and comment what you're doing for Valentine's today, and also if you've enjoyed, what you've seen, make sure to subscribe. My social media links are down below. I hope you enjoyed. Bye!